Alright everybody, so welcome to Informal Portuguese. That's class 1 of our Portuguese course. We're going to be talking today about food and beverage. In Portuguese you say comida e bebida. Alright, let's go with the first lesson here. First, you got to repeat with me. Let's go together. Say beber, comer, querer, ter. Let's say one more time. Try to copy my pronunciation. Beber, comer, querer, ter. Okay, to drink means beber. How do you say to drink in Portuguese? Beber, very good. To eat means comer. How do you say to eat in Portuguese? Comer, nice. To want is querer. How do you say to want in Portuguese? Querer, very good. To have, ter. How do you say to have in Portuguese? Ter, very good. Now pay attention to this. If you want to say in Portuguese, I want to drink, you say, eu quero beber. One more time. Eu quero beber. Okay? I want to drink, eu quero beber. Now you try to say it. Now, I have this challenge for you. Try to say these sentences in Portuguese. Pause the video and try to say these sentences in Portuguese. Alright, now let's go to the answer key. Let's see how it is. Check it out. I drink, eu bebo. Okay, say it with me, eu bebo. I eat, you say, eu como. Eu como, alright? I want to drink, you say, eu quero beber. Now, if you want to say, I want to eat, you say, eu quero comer. If you want to say, I like to drink, you just have to say, eu gosto de beber. Remember, I like, eu gosto, I want, eu quero. If you want to say, eu gosto, I like to eat, I like to eat, you say in Portuguese, eu gosto de comer. Okay? Don't forget that in Portuguese we have like this preposition. In English we don't have that. We just say I like to eat. But in Portuguese you have to say eu gosto de beber. But when we say querer, to want, so I want to eat, you don't say de, okay? You don't say eu quero de comer. You just say eu quero comer. Alright? Moving on, I have more vocab for you. Check it out. Water. In Portuguese, you say água. Repeat. Água. Now repeat. Suco de laranja. Say one more time. Suco de laranja. Let's try this one. Café. Café. Okay, this one. Chá. And this one. Refrigerante. Okay, let's go all back again. Água. Suco de laranja, café, chá, refrigerante. Alright, so how do you say water in Portuguese? Água. Okay, how do you say orange juice in Portuguese? Suco de laranja. How do you say coffee in Portuguese? Café. How do you say tea in Portuguese? Chá. How do you say soda? You say refrigerante. Alright, I have a challenge for you. Check these sentences and pause the video now and try to say these sentences in Portuguese. Okay, you're done? Now let's check the answers. There you go. I want to drink water, you say eu quero beber água. I like to drink coffee, you just say eu gosto de beber café. I want to drink orange juice. In Portuguese, you say eu quero beber suco de laranja. I like to drink soda. You say eu gosto de beber refrigerante. I want to drink tea. You say eu quero beber chá. I like to drink coffee and tea. So you have to say Eu gosto de beber café e chá. Alright? Did you get them correctly? Nice. Moving on, I have more vocab for you. Repeat with me. Pão, peixe, frango, bife, salada, legumes. Let's go one more time. Pão, peixe, frango, bife, salada, legumes. So bread, in Portuguese, you say pão. How is bread? Okay, pão. Fish, you say peixe. How do you say fish in Portuguese? Peixe. Chicken, you say frango. How do you say chicken in Portuguese? Frango. Steak, you say bife. How do you say steak in Portuguese? Salad, you say salada. It's similar, right? How do you say salad in Portuguese? Salada. And vegetables, you say legumes. How's vegetables in Portuguese? Legumes. Good job. Moving on. Now the challenge for you. Pause the video and say this sentence in Portuguese. Your practice. Okay, you're done. Now let's check the answers. I want to eat bread. That in Portuguese you say eu quero comer pão. I like to eat fish. In Portuguese you say eu gosto de comer peixe. I want to eat chicken. Eu quero comer frango. I like to eat steak. In Portuguese you say eu gosto de comer bife. Eu quero comer salada. In English it's I want to eat salad. You say eu quero comer salada. I like to eat vegetables. You just say eu gosto de comer legumes. Alright, did you get them correctly? Alright, moving on. I have more expressions for you. Check it out. Good morning is bom dia. Say it with me. Bom dia. Boa tarde. Boa noite. Olá. Por favor. Eu gostaria. Let's go one more time. Check the pronunciation. Try to say it like I'm saying, okay? Bom dia. Boa tarde. Boa noite. Olá. Por favor. Eu gostaria. So, good morning. In Portuguese, you say bom dia. How do you say good morning? Bom dia. Good afternoon in Portuguese. Boa tarde. How do you say good afternoon? Boa tarde. Good evening, you say boa noite. How do you say good evening? Boa noite. Hello in Portuguese, you just say olá. How do you say hello? Olá. Very good. Now, please in Portuguese, you say por favor. How do you say please in Portuguese? Por favor. I'd like. In Portuguese, you say eu gostaria. How do you say I'd like in Portuguese? Eu gostaria. Alright, one more challenge for you, my friends. So, check these sentences. And I want you to pause the video and try to say these sentences in Portuguese. Alright? Okay, let's go with the answers right now. Here you go. Sounds a little bit longer, but I'm sure you did it, right? Okay. Hello, I'd like to drink water. In Portuguese, you say olá, eu gostaria de beber água. Good afternoon. I'd like to eat fish. Boa tarde. Eu gostaria de comer peixe. Please, I'd like to eat chicken. Or to have chicken, right? Por favor, eu gostaria de comer frango. Please, I'd like to drink coffee. Por favor, eu gostaria de beber café. Good evening. I want to eat salad. Boa noite. Eu quero comer salada. Hello. I'd like to drink orange juice and eat fish, please. In Portuguese you say olá. Eu gostaria de beber suco de laranja e comer peixe, por favor. Okay? Did you get them correctly? It's very important you speak with me so that you can improve your pronunciation. That's it. Watch this video as many times as you need to get your pronunciation well done and the grammar structure too. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with other people who want to learn Portuguese, and subscribe to the channel. That was Informal Portuguese. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye.